How can people copy my trading on Bybit? So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to allow people to copy your trading on the Bybit app. So first step, after you open up the Bybit app like this, so the first thing to do, you go to your profile at the top left side. After you go to your profile, so now you tap on this all services. After you open the all services, so now you go to this trade section. After you open the trade section, you go to copy trading. Under the copy trading, if you want people to copy your trade, so the first thing to do, you tap on this become a trader. So from this option here, it says apply to become a Bybit master trader. Now, if you want people to copy your trade, I'll advise you to go and read all these terms and conditions. If you agreed with the terms and conditions from the Bybit, you tap on this confirm button. After you tap on this, I have understood, I agreed to above agreement. So from there, Bybit will give you access in this option now to create a trade. After you create your trade, so from there, if you go back to the back button, so after you create your trade, so your trade will appear in this option now. If you want to see your own trade, you tap on this my trade button. After you tap on the my trade button, so you tap on this master traders. So under this master traders, you'll be able now to see the trade that you are currently copying and the trade that you are currently running on your Bybit. So this option will give you two options. So the first one is trade that you are copying from someone, and the trade that you are currently allowing people to copy your own trade. So that's it, guys, on how to get people to copy your trade on the Bybit app. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.